I've gotten this question so many times. I got it on my YouTube channel. I got it on my Instagram DMs. I got it in my Twitter DMs. I got people asking me in person. I got people randomly coming up to me that I don't even know, and somehow they know who I am, even with a mask on, and they still ask me this question. So what is the question? It's the title of the video. What do you actually invest in when you're just getting started investing? If you got like $100, $500, $1,000, what do you actually invest your money in? I made a video not too long ago going over exactly how I pick my stocks, whether that's actually picking them from just stocks I like in general, like companies like Apple and Microsoft, or going and looking at somebody else online and possibly getting some ideas from them, or just doing research, technical analysis, and kind of the boring stuff, and finding a stock to pick from there, or just generally following trends. But all in all, we're going to go over just that. I'm going to give you guys some solid methods on how to invest in the stock market if you actually know nothing about the stock market, and then you can take that information, run with it, and make yourself some money on your own. Either way, what's going on YouTube? My name is Dollar Mike, and I'm back at it again with another video. I make videos all about personal finance here on YouTube, so that means investing in the stock market, that means credit cards, budgeting, anything related to money. I 100% got you covered. So let's actually not waste any more time. Let's jump right into the content. Let's go. Now, if you guys aren't new to the channel, you already know I gotta do my quick plugs real quick, and then we jump into the video. Either way, make sure you hit a like on this video, because that is the best way to help the channel grow. Hitting a like on this video and all my other videos obviously pushes those videos out to further people, to help them grow, to help yourself grow, get yourself some money in your bank account from investing, all that kind of good stuff. So make sure you hit that like button. Also, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because I see only like 10% of people that watch my videos are subscribed, something like that, so that'd be great. And also, if you want to get yourself some free stocks or just free other stuff, make sure you check out my links down below in the comment section. We got the Robinhood link down there. I don't really like Robinhood right now for everything they've done, but at the end of the day, they're handing out free stocks, and I'm going to take free stocks, and you should grab yourself a free stock as well. Also, grab Webull, link down below for that. You'll get 2 free stocks with Webull. You can also check out Doe down there. You'll get a free stock with Doe, and you can check out Public as well, and you'll get a fractional share of a stock of whatever you decide to choose. I personally always go with Amazon for my free Public fractional share. So do whatever you gotta do, but make sure you get yourself some free stocks, because it's free. Now, if you have no idea what the stock market even is, what stocks to actually buy, what is the best possible investment to make when you're just starting out in the stock market? And you may say, oh, well, Mike, you might want to go buy some Apple, because Apple's a great company to invest in. And you'd be right. You might also say, oh, you can go and buy some Microsoft, because Microsoft's a pretty great company to be invested in, or some Cisco, or some Ulta Beauty, or maybe some Target, or maybe you want to get into some dividends and get some Walgreens, or possibly you want to get some Maine to get you more dividend. At the end of the day, how do you actually choose which stock to invest in, or to invest in them all? How much money you might even want to contribute to maybe one or more stocks? It all really depends. But there is one particular investment that I think everybody should make, or essentially a type of investment I think everybody should make, and that is ETFs. An exchange traded fund, or an ETF, is a basket of securities you may buy or sell through a brokerage firm on a stock exchange. In simple terms, ETFs cover different sectors of the stock market and essentially different sectors of life. So you might have an ETF covering the technology industry, like ticker symbol XLK. XLK has holdings in Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, Intel, Adobe, Salesforce, Cisco, Qualcomm, Texas Instruments, and more. But you guys get the point. Instead of investing in all those companies separately, you can go ahead and just put your money into the XLY ETF, and it'll cover you across all those different companies. Obviously, you won't make the same amount of gains that you would make by just investing in those companies in particular, but the XLK ETF in particular is a lot safer than actually investing in all those different companies and possibly losing money on some of them and making money on others and coming out even. If you simply invest in XLK, then you'll probably make money continuously. This method works for basically any industry you can think about. If you go look at ticker symbol BETZ, that covers the entire online gaming and online betting industry. If you go look at ticker SMH, that covers the entire computer chip industry. If you go look at ticker symbol BLOK, that covers the entire cryptocurrency industry. If you go look at ticker symbol TAN, that covers the entire solar industry. The list goes on, and you can basically find an ETF for anything that you want to be invested in personally. So let's say you're a big fan of Tesla and you want to be invested in Tesla, but you also don't want to take the risk of investing your money with Tesla, because if we go and look at my portfolio today, Tesla is actually down $44, or about 5% today, and then another $2, or basically a third of a percent, in after hours. So Tesla is down big today, and if you invested in Tesla this morning, then you'll be down a lot of money right now. So if you actually want to invest in Tesla, but you don't want to take those big losses that might occur when you invest in solely Tesla stock, then you can go ahead and invest in an ETF that holds a lot in Tesla, but Tesla does not make up that entire ETF. And two perfect ETFs for that is ARK-K and ARK-W. I personally hold some shares in ARKW. ARKW is the ticker, ARK Next Generation Internet, and they have about, I think about 15% of their holdings are in Tesla. But as you can see, ARKW isn't even down 0.5% today, and Tesla lost over 5% today, and they're actually up in after hours. And they hold a lot in Tesla. So even though Tesla took a nice hit today, if you had your money in ARKW instead of Tesla, then you really wouldn't have lost that much. A great place to actually go and find all these ETFs is simple enough, ETFcom. I just found out about this website not too long ago, and I can't believe that it's just that simple and exists. But you go on ETFcom and you might want to type in an ETF for Target, ETF for Tesla, ETF for Walmart. It doesn't really matter. You type in an ETF or whatever you're looking for, whatever you're interested in, and boom, it'll give you some options, and you can scroll through them and figure out which one is the best one for you. Now, as I mentioned before, you won't see those insane jumps like when Tesla jumps up $150 in a couple days or even in a day, because that's happened as well. But you won't see those insane jumps like that on the ETF. It will go up, gradually, naturally, but you just won't see that in the ETF simply because the ETFs have all the other stocks in there holding it down or possibly even pushing it up even more. So don't jump into ETFs thinking that you're going to make a lot of money really fast, because it simply doesn't work that way. Sometimes it does in the instance of the cannabis industry. If you guys didn't know, marijuana is now basically legal in the state of Virginia, so all those marijuana stocks shot up. And of course there's marijuana ETFs like PodX, like weed, like YOLO, I believe, all these different ETFs that shot up as well, but they didn't go up as much as just buying a general marijuana stock. A single marijuana stock obviously has more risk, just like everything else, and the ETF has less risk, so less reward. That's simple. Now, if you're willing to take those risks and buy those individual stocks to possibly make even more money like myself, you can do personally that. I'm just letting you guys know there's more risk involved with that. This is all for entertainment purposes only, but you guys already knew that. So either way, you can go out here and make your money by investing in singular stocks and make more money that way, or you can go and put your money in ETFs and make money that way. It might be slow growth one way, fast growth the other way, but either way, if you're making money, you're making money, and that's a pretty good thing to be pretty happy about, I personally think. And if you're interested in what individual stocks I actually invest in, I make videos every single month talking about those stocks. So every single month a video is out. I actually just made one like a couple of days ago, so just check those videos out. My portfolio update videos every single month. I'll tell you exactly what stocks I'm invested in, do I plan on buying more, if I sold some, all that kind of good stuff. So overall, yeah, that's kind of it. I'm invested in both individual stocks, and I'm also invested in ETFs for more long-term growth. You can do both. It's nothing wrong with doing both. If you got the money to do both, do whatever you want to do, but you can make money any which way you want to make some money. And lastly, 100% of the time, no one is 100% correct when it comes to making stock picks, picking the right stock at any point in time. So if you think someone's always right, then they're wrong, because they're not always right. No one's 100% right in the stock market, but everybody's there just to make some money. And that's what we're doing on this channel. That's what I'm doing myself personally. That's what my friends are doing, my co-workers, everyone. So get out here and make yourself some money. That's all I've really got for this video. I want to thank you guys for watching it as always. And on top of that, even more content is coming soon, as you probably already could tell. So thank you for watching. I'm out. Dollar Mike. Peace.